Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing those annoying stutters and frame drops while gaming on Windows 11. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The first thing we need to do is ensure Windows isn't trying to record your gameplay in the background, which is a major cause of micro-stuttering. Go ahead and click on your Start button and open up the Settings menu. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Gaming. First, click on Game Mode and make sure that toggle is switched to On, as this helps prioritize your game over other apps. However, now go back and click on Captures. This is the important part. Look for Record What Happened and make sure this toggle is set to Off. If this is on, your PC is constantly writing video to your hard drive, which causes those little hiccups while you play. Next, we need to manually force Windows to use your graphics card's maximum power for the specific game that is stuttering. Stay in Settings, but click on System in the left sidebar, then click on Display. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Graphics. In the list of apps, scroll down to find the game you are having trouble with. If you don't see it, click Browse, navigate to the game's installation folder, and select the .exe file. Once the game is on the list, click on it and select Options. A window will pop up. Go ahead and select High Performance and then click Save. This tells Windows not to save power on this specific app, which keeps your frame rate stable. Finally, we are going to apply a compatibility fix directly to the game file to stop Windows overlays from interfering. Minimize your windows and find the shortcut for your game on the desktop. Right-click on the icon and select Open File Location. If that just takes you to a launcher like Steam, you will need to navigate to the actual game folder, usually inside Steam Apps, then Common. Once you find the main application file, the one ending in .exe, right-click it and select Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab at the top, check the box that says Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Then, click Change High DPI Settings and check the box for Override High DPI Scaling Behavior, ensuring it is set to Application. Click OK, then Apply, and OK again to lock it in. Restart your computer and your games should run much smoother. And that's it. You have successfully optimized your system to eliminate stuttering and enjoy smooth gameplay. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.